My name is Olga, I'm from Kazakhstan and I'm working for Kazakh Film National Studios. This is a national film production company, the biggest one in Kazakhstan. And this YEVA workshop, this training on marketing was very interesting for me and very useful. Because Kazakh film is trying now to get more internationally and to know more about new trends, how to promote films and how to make online promotion, for example, how to marketing, how to find the best ways to bring our production internationally. And this seminar, this workshop was very interesting, very intensive for me, and I got many new things to know and to develop now, and so it was very fruitful for me, as we can say so. So thank you so much for this invitation. Participation was very nice for me. So I found out about YEVA network and especially about this training course via Facebook. I got some notification on my page, on my wall, and immediately I was interested in, and so I sent an application and my motivation letter, and very soon I received a confirmation that yes, your application approved and you may take part in. And it's very interesting because I found this information on Facebook, and I thought immediately that such networking might be very useful for us. And when I came here, and after 3 days of very intensive courses, it's right, that's right, that's very useful, very important. Because, as I said before, for Kazakhstan it's important now to develop, to enlarge our relationships, I mean in film industry. We have already a good experience of co-productions, of some distributions, and as many new trends we know, as many networks we approach to, it's better for us, for Kazakhstan, to go internationally and to know the ways how to promote films internationally. It's important. So during this YEVA seminar workshop I got many new informations which might be useful. I think yes, exactly. Such a network is very helpful, and it joins people and brings closer various countries and brings closer new trends for promotion, for film promotion. Because now when the Hollywood films are very intensive, still intensive on market, it's very important to find ways for other films to get more widely. So the YEVA networking is one of the nice examples of how to join people, to communicate all together, to bring together. I'd like to suggest to make one course like this in Kazakhstan, because we have many young people now in Kazakhstan, producers, filmmakers with very good potential to work internationally, and so such a course might be very useful to train them, to study, to educate maybe. So I think it would be a nice idea to continue this, for example, in Kazakhstan. Everything is well organized, arranged, and very intensive, so that the participants, they don't think about some organizational things, they only study, they are on course, they listen to, and everything is interactive, and the trainers are very professional and very experienced, which is very important, because the trainers, they know everything very well from practice, from their practice. It means all examples are very practical, and so this is useful, because not theoretical one, not theory, but practice. this is very important. The trainers, the courses are perfect, and the knowledge we get from it are perfect. So